If you want to boost the speed of your Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, what you can do is you can find the security app, which should be pre-installed on your phone. In my case, I have it up here. We can open it. And in here, what you can do is we can wait for this scan to be done. And then after a couple of seconds, you should be able to have this optimize button that we can use in order to optimize our system, which should, of course, speed up our phone a little bit. So we can go through this optimizing process over here. And there we go. We also have some suggestions that you can, of course, use, but they are not really required to be performed. Besides that, we have this boost speed option, which can, of course, also be used, which should be able to speed up the phone. We can also see what will happen to speed up our phone. So if you disagree to something to be done, then, of course, we can uncheck these circles to exclude an app or something over here. So I'm gonna just press boost speed, and in theory we should be able to speed up our phone quite easily. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.